issue is that my AC is very, very loud. And it picks up a lot. Using the mic on the index. It's like brrrr. I tried doing like noise cancellation filters and stuff, but yeah, I'm literally stood next to it. I can maybe, I wonder if I talked at all. This might be cringe. Wanna see you do the Fortnite dance? I can try. Yeah, I'm gonna find a bunch of worlds and stuff. Maybe I can show you how I sound through the index mic. I was recording for like 20 minutes trying to get funny clips. There's me breathing. We want... Who am I talking to, bro? Ah! What am I saying? Who am I talking to? Okay. I sound so good. I didn't do too much. Okay. I'm just talking to myself. This is what I do when I'm alone, by the way. I talk to myself like this. This is what I do. I'm alone in the room here. And I forgot that I was recording. Oh, this feels embarrassing all of a sudden. But as you can hear, it's like brrr. Brrr. Holy shit, the Matrix is falling apart. It's over, it's over, it's over, it's over, it's over. But I mean, if I play music, hopefully it's not too distracting. In the winter, if I do it, I can turn off the AC. I'm not playing the full 20 minutes. I'll have a nervous breakdown. Yeah, what if I don't remember anything I was saying? What if I start saying my address and credit card details? I'm just looking around. Yeah? This is traumatizing. This is me alone. I don't like it. 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 This is what I do when I'm by myself. I will say though, I do kind of like the way the index mic sounds. This is just me testing. This is me setting up the trackers and stuff and looking on the audio and things. It sounds different, right? It sounds comfy. That's what I always think. Like, I was considering maybe I could do something with my actual mic, but there's something about the index mic that even if it has a little more background noise, it has a sound. Yeah, I guess because it's like right in front of your mouth. Like it's literally right here. I don't know. Yeah. 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 You're not funny. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was watching myself on the camera, I think. No, I was recording. I knew I was recording, but I was just like testing out the VR. And then I kind of forgot. This is 17 minutes in. It is, it's like... This is really weird to watch. It's just, oh! I accidentally palmed the camera under my skirt. Can we see? I'm not gonna show you deliberate. It's just kind of like black. It's like spats or something. And I think it's a TV model. My actual model might be more accurate. There's me clicking. Man, this is so weird. Mouth noises do not perceive. This is terrible. I hate it here. Oh, this is me trying to type with a VR headset on. This is a struggle. Yeah, it's kind of like ASMR. Typing is so slow. This model is so fucking smug. Oh, I can see the inside of my skull. That's a little concerning. There's tiny hearts in there. It does have a very cute face. You guys are gonna love it. No, you can just see my eyeballs and my mouth cavity. It's a little concerning, actually. Me breathing. Oh yeah. That's great. I feel so nervous playing this because I never thought anyone would hear this. So this was for me, like for testing purposes to make sure everything worked on stream. So it's so weird to play this because nobody is supposed to hear this. This is shadow content. It's not for you. Why were you recording to make sure that, like, I don't know, the VR streamed okay and it sounded okay and you could see everything okay? I wasn't aggressive. Aggro noise. This is worse than the hee hee video. noise that my body makes. I don't know if I like that. This is better than 1 hour of silence. No, it is not. It's 1 hour of AC ambience interrupted by random shouted noises. This is horrifying for me. I'm so anxious. I feel so on edge. Like, oh, I'm typing again. Like, what is she gonna say? I don't know. What is she? I don't know. Yeah, what if she says the slur? Look, I don't control her. Nobody controls her. She controls herself, okay? Also, I'm thinking of announcing the 3D debut tonight. So if you do see anything concerning on my Twitter, don't freak out. I'm giving my stream watchers a warning. Nice sigh. Yeah, don't be worried. I'm doing a little trolling. Anyone who missed today's stream might be a little freaked out. Picture of Shadow holding a flower. I already did that. Yeah. It will be next week, I think. Yeah, I'll act surprised. Oh god, this is so embarrassing. I didn't dab. That means you'll get to see me dab for the first time. I don't know what I'm doing. Am I typing? Wait, I know what I'm doing. I'm trying to open the emote menu. I couldn't figure it out. So I had to Google it. You're gonna hear me Googling it in a second. Is this the content you desire? There you go. I'm Googling it. Whoa, that was deep! It made like a velociraptor noise. I think I'm out of breath. Real voice, real hag noise. Yeah. This is content. How many hours in was this? Like 3. Yeah, this was right at the end. I was like really tired at this point. It might have been chill. Real voice. So true, Umfi. I don't know what this is. This is just me in my natural habitat. I'm very relaxed. Yeah, and then I have to put everything back. What's next? Nobody knows. It's a mystery. I'm pointing at something, but I don't know what it is. It's nobody knows. Why not just leave this stuff out? Because I don't have space to put it. There's nowhere to put it. I'm laughing at myself. This is very suspenseful. What is she doing? She's just moving around like a weirdo. I'm looking at myself. And I'm fascinated by the video footage of myself. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Brrr. えっと We want okay. Didn't do too much. I think we're back to where we were before, which means the yawning is gonna begin. I thought nobody would ever hear this cursed footage. I live in a society. It's been leaked. I would have been cuter if I thought anyone would ever see this. Okay? Yeah. Stop! Yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's it, it's over. I'm not putting it on camera! I hate it! I'm just standing in my room yelling. It's so embarrassing! I think there's points where even I realize my behavior, hence the sigh. I'm like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Brrr. Oh my god. You're so welcome. Yep. I'm not putting that anywhere and I'm gonna delete it and there's nothing you can do about it.